Let's do a quick review. In this chapter, we took a field that we created in the previous chapter and reused it for a second content type. Then we reviewed various options for connecting content via a views field to other content, one of which was converting an item to a link, another which was using taxonomy references, and another which was using node references. We then looked at how to assess the development form of a module to decide whether we want to use it in our site. We talked about how to use an autocomplete term reference field. Instead of pre-filling the term options, we can instead use an autocomplete or free tagging option to allow the insertion of new terms inline. And finally, we completed our calendar view. Our calendar now looks exactly like it does in the mockups, so we're doing pretty good. For challenges, there's a few things you could do. First of all, you can add some additional locations by pre-filling the vocabulary with additional terms, and you can start by adding these three. There's two different ways to add these terms. Explore both of them. Next, you can set an automatic URL alias for terms using a particular pattern, tour-location-the name of the place. Now, we've set URL alias patterns for content for nodes, but we haven't done it for taxonomy yet, so this should be a good challenge. And finally, we're going to be adding an image field to the guide content type eventually, but you can step ahead and go ahead and give it a try, adding an image field, exploring some of the options there, and seeing how far you can take it. And when you're ready, go ahead and move on to the next chapter.